Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, September 8th. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of Facebook, 30 minutes chart here. We can see we ended with 3, the minor degree, right here at 384. And then we pull back in the wave 4 right here, finishing at 373 right here. And now it seems to be starting the next leg to the upside already now. So far we only have 3 swing, so in other words, in fact, until you break above the previous peak, for example, as an alternate, this could have been only just an ABC, and then we start to turn lower again, fail, and do a double correction. If we measure the extension though, this so-called third swing is more than 1.618. So this is leaning towards the idea that this is not an ABC, since the third swing is extended and more than 1.618. So this one is currently the more favored count right now, that we have started the next leg higher within this wave 5. But again, for the full confirmation, it will need to break above this previous peak. But again, the extension on the third swing here is basically leaning towards the idea that we have started the next leg higher in Facebook. Now, that means as long as we stay above 373 right here, we should be looking for further upside in Facebook to complete with 5. And once we finish this 5 ways up, that can either be ending with 1 of 5, or it could be also ending your entire wave 5 as well, once we finish the 5 ways up from here. Now if we zoom out, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Now I'm placing the 3 and 4, which is the same 3 and 4 here. And so what that means is that if you look at the 4 hour, we're looking at the cycle that started from August 3rd low, and we could also label this as a 1 and 2 right here, right? We could label this 1 and 2. So we're looking for the final leg in the wave 5 before finishing up this cycle that started from August the 3rd. We can clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and now with one more, technically one more marginal high above 3 is all you need to finish a 5 ways up. So that's why as an alternate, this could be either ending 1 or 5. So let me put this on the 4 hour chart. This 5 waves up from here, from this 4 in red, it can either be finishing up only 1 or 5, or it can finish your entire wave 5 as well. Right? If you look at the size of 1 and 3 in the red degree, it kind of makes sense and possible that this, if we're going to be making a new high, that will be probably 1 of 5 instead of your entire wave 5, due to the fact of the size of the 1 and 3 is a little bit bigger if you compare this rally compared to the 1 and 3. But that doesn't mean it cannot be wave 5, right? Wave 5 is possible. All you need for wave 5 is just a marginal high above 3 that should qualify as a wave 5. But when you compare the size, then it makes sense. It is reasonable. There is a argument to be made that that may only end 1 of 5, and therefore you got a 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 5, 5 of 5, right, in the black degree before you finish 5 in red here, and then starts to see the biggest correction from August the 3rd low. Okay, so that's kind of like the medium term. Short term is pretty simple. Short term, we should be getting at least one more push higher. That's it. Short term expectation is one more push higher to finish at least a 5 ways up and break above 3 in red, as long as we stay above $373 right here. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you do want to get regular updates on stock, indices, Forex, commodities, do feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial for the new members, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.